Hey, g'day, Rudy here. So silver gets its own dedicated video, not just gold. Probably my favourite metal because she's very temperamental. But for those who've never seen this magnificent chart, monthly candles here since 1980, up to $50, down, up to $50. 2011. Okay, now I'll just go to a weekly, and you can see we've got another rounded bottom, a rounded bottom, a rounded bottom, and go to a daily, we've done another one. So here we are, we've got another cup and handle, another rounded bottom with a handle. It was a magnificent effort last night. I thought, because this is the big mama of lines. This one here, this is major battle lines. But the Bullion Bank boys, they had a go last night, yesterday I should say, and down, nearly got it, and then bang, slingshot they call it. So I don't want to jinx it. So what we want to see is a bit of down, and then a bounce off here. So say your prayers tonight for silver. Alright, so we'll go through the our local shares and my favourite ETF, Mr. SilJ. So that's silver. So silver in Aussie dollars, looking nice. So the ETF, ETP mag, if you just want the metal, that's where we got in. So the gold silver ratio. Okay, so if it can break this line here, this uptrend line, then silver means silver is going to be outperforming gold. So even if gold goes up, silver is going to go up faster. Okay, so Adriatic, it's not on. This was a fabulous stock, but it got taken over, and the reason it's going up is because the company Dundee that bought them, there was some scrip involved in the takeover, and Dundee's a spectacular gold company, so it's made in heaven. Okay, so we're left with sort of developers. So I'll go to a daily chart. So Andy and Silver, they got their resource in Bolivia, 2027 mine start, good balance sheet, strong insiders. That's about all you can ask for. So it's dropped below the trend line, but I think once silver rips, then all these things are going to rip. Okay, so Manuka Resources, this is the one that go to a weekly. So they currently got a gold mine going, and the silver one's going to start next year. I had a bit more of a look into it. Their ASIC is about 35 to 40 Aussie dollars, which is quite high. The big boys in America are like maybe half of that. But it doesn't matter. Aussie dollars at Aussie silver dollars at 60. So I still think there's some juice in there, but it'll anyway. Well, that's what I found out. So it's silver mines. They're the ones who bloody the greenies won't let them go. That's a beautiful cup and handle waiting to go. If anyone knows anything, updates on all these, let us know. West Coast Silver. So they're 180 million ounce resource, past production. That's nice. Good. What is it? Top 20 and half. That's nice. So that's holding up really well. Alright, and then we've got some explorers, the drillers, the capital raisers. You'll be hit up for capital raisings on these guys. So they're in Sweden. Beautiful chart though. Once they'll pop. Argent. So they're New South Wales exploring. Yep, bullish, looking ready. Investigator, South Australia. 53 million ounces. Drilling. Okay. MMA. So they got a drilling there near one of South 32's mines. That's probably a lead silver zinc thing. But rounded bottom. Nice downtrend line to break. Mithril. So where are they? They're in Mexico. It's beautiful. Bull flag or declining wedge and consolidating. Sun silver. So they're in drilling over in 292 million ounce resource drilling. That looks they all look bullish, ready to go once silver confirms. Unico silver. So they're where are they drilling? They've got the Santa Cruz, Argentina. Argentina, Mexico, that's where all the silver is. So they're back, rounded bottom. Alright, on to my my ETF, my lovely one, SILJ. So it hasn't broken out yet, it's just waiting, that silver price. So this is a weekly chart. I thought I might try and fill the gap on the daily. See that little bit of a gap there, but it hasn't filled that. So there's some big talks in America over the next couple of days about interest rate outlooks, and if the Fed hints at sort of loosening, like not tightening interest rates, that'll signal inflation, which will give gold and silver a real boost. So hopefully he does that. So SILJ over silver. So what we're waiting for is for the miners to outperform the silver price. One of these ones. So the declining wedge, it's just started breaking out and testing. So all lined up very nicely. The major miners in there. So you got Cure sitting at resistance, just waiting for the bell. First Majestic, waiting for the bell at resistance. Heckler, waiting at the bell. Everyone's waiting at the bell. It's all up to silver now. Endeavour, same, waiting for the bell. And OR Royalties, that's a royalty company, so it just doesn't wait for the bell. It just goes. Alright, if anyone's got any updates on any of those companies, let us know so I can include it. And otherwise, say your prayers for silver tonight. Okay, see ya.